The new open house sign-in form from Listings to Leads is live in your account. I want to show it off to you here real quickly so you can see how to use it to actually engage and generate more leads from your open house. So here's the new design. Super excited to get this live for everybody. We'll use an image of the property as a background, and we got a QR code, got the property address here, and all people have to do is either tap the screen. So it could be a laptop, it could be a tablet, right? We've even got the print version, of course, still available. Customized questions, of course. So everything here is completely customizable. And if they're going to select they're working with a realtor, they can add their realtor's name there. And again, you don't even have to ask that question. We're going to be offering a PDF guide, so they can get a PDF guide as well. And the autoresponder will include the PDF guide and also include information about the listing. So there would be the PDF guide in the autoresponder that they get, and there'll be an image for that, and then there'll be an image and a link to the single property website. And you can see it's going to reset for the next person automatically. So really excited to get this live for everybody. To get access to that for every listing that you've got, just go to the listings page and scroll down and click on the green market listing button for the listing. And you're going to land on the overview. Come down to open house feedback form near the bottom of that list there. And it'll probably be set to use global options. For example, this button may not work. Just come down here, deselect global options. A couple of options here. I'm just going to say no, don't update for now. That's asking me if I want to update from the global settings, which I'll show you next. So here you can see the online version. You can see the print version and any customizations to the form, the questions, what you're asking for as far as name, email, and so on. All of that will be reflected in the print version as well. And then you've got a QR code there also. So at the listing level, I can customize the questions right here. And you can see I can move them around. I can turn them on and off. I can add questions up here. I can delete questions. So all that great stuff right there. Now, if I wanted to go and ask a custom question so that every single open house sign-in form had it, come back to listings, so your main listings page, click on settings, and then you'll probably drop off in preferences, but come down to open house sign-in form. And here, now notice I can do show contact information first and then questions, or questions first and then contact information. So a couple of options there. And again, here I can move questions around, turn them off, delete them, add new questions. So I can easily ask questions, add my options, so I can customize that feedback form exactly how I want it. So if you've got any questions on this, any feedback for us, any thoughts on how to use this, please let us know in the mastermind group or let our support team know, and we'll talk to you soon.